Welcome to Science Class! Good morning! Today's topic, the water cycle. Today's learning objectives. I can describe how condensation occurs and rain forms in the atmosphere. I can describe the water cycle and relate it to weather. Oh, that's Mr. Birdie. Hi, Mr. Birdie. Nice to see you again. I can see that you're enjoying the scenery of the clear blue sea. Nice weather, right? Is it cloudy today? Oh, it is partly cloudy. Look at those clouds. Do you ever wonder how those clouds form? Oh, come on, let's go and explore some different kinds of clouds. We're here! What kind of clouds are these, Mr. Birdie? They are cirrus clouds. These clouds are thin and white. They form high in the sky. We can see them on fair or sunny days. Don't you know that if you see these clouds, precipitation might fall in a day or so? How about these clouds, Mr. Birdie? They can cover most of the sky. How do we call them? Stratus clouds. These clouds are gray or white. They form low, flat layers. They sometimes bring rain or snow. Oh wow! These clouds look like fluffy balls of cotton. How do we call them, Mr. Birdie? Cumulus clouds. These clouds are white and puffy with flat bottoms. You may see them on a fair day or sunny day. If they turn dark, they may bring storms. There are many other different kinds of clouds. You have cirrus, stratus, cumulus, and many more. All of these clouds are made of tiny drops of water or ice in the air. However, not all clouds bring precipitation. How do clouds form? Let's find out. How do clouds form? First, when sun shines on a body of water, the water changes into a gas or water vapor. This is called evaporation. As water vapor rises up in the air, it cools and changes back to liquid. This is called condensation. The water drops cling to dust in the air. This forms clouds. Clouds get heavy with water drops. We call it precipitation. Remember the 4 types of precipitation: rain, sleet, snow, or hail. After that, some water flows downhill. Some water soaks into soil. Water returns back to bodies of water. Water moves from Earth's surface into the air. Then it moves back down to Earth. This is called the water cycle. There will be no water cycle without the sun. The sun hits water and causes evaporation. Condensation happens next, and clouds form. The water falls back to Earth as precipitation. It can be rain, snow, sleet, or hail. The water flows back to bodies of water, and the process begins again. That's how water cycle goes on and on and on. Most of the time, the water cycle brings gentle rains and snowfalls. But there are dangerous weather, or we call them severe weather. Storms are a kind of severe weather. There are several kinds of storms. Thunderstorm is a storm with thunder, lightning, heavy rains, and strong winds. It can produce hail too. How can you stay safe during a thunderstorm? Do not stand under a tree. Lightning often hits tall things. Do not use things that need electricity, like phones, computer, or other electrical devices. And you must stay inside the house. Another severe weather is a tornado. A tornado is a powerful storm with rotating winds that forms over land. It looks like a big, tall funnel. A tornado damages most things in its path. How can you stay safe during a tornado? Go to the basement. If you cannot get to a basement, lie flat in a low place. A hurricane is a large storm with strong winds and heavy rain. It forms over the ocean. When a hurricane moves over land, its winds and rain damage property. Trees are blown over. Hurricane can also cause flooding. If a hurricane is on the way, stay inside. Stay away from doors and windows. Blizzard is another severe weather. A blizzard is a storm with lots of snow, cold temperatures, and strong winds. Blizzards bury plants, cars, and buildings under snow. During a blizzard, stay inside a warm building. If you must leave, be sure to wear warm clothing. People can be harmed during severe weather. Remember the things you can do to stay safe during thunderstorm, tornado, hurricane, and blizzard. Time to sum up today's lesson, Mr. Birdie. There are different kinds of clouds. Each cloud brings different types of weather. Clouds form when water vapor in the air condenses. The water cycle describes how water moves between Earth's surface and the atmosphere. How well did I understand the topic today? Complete one of the following sentences in your science notebook. Read and answer your science textbook, pages 162 to 171. Log in to your dCampus account and answer assignment number 6. Check the latest timetable in the Learning Management System or LMS. Join Zion Zoom class on Sunday 4:20 to 4:50 p.m. Use the Zoom meeting link sent by your class teacher. Thank you for watching. Thanks to Mr. Birdie and to our colorful friends under the sea. Have fun learning, kids! Stay home and stay safe, everyone!